If you saw my previous video on the PowerBolt 1, I bought the lock when I saw it, and then I had a lockout, and I didn't have this apart at the time, and nothing worked on the lockout. So I did an unboxing live on the video, and what I really wanted to see was if I could put, show everybody how you could do the override. A lot of electronic deadbolts right now have, in theory, an external power supply. So if the batteries go dead, I could take a 9-volt battery or whatever, usually it's a 9-volt, and I can get it powered up and I can at least open up the door. But it didn't work on this customer's lock, and talking to other locksmiths, it hasn't worked on a few other brands out there too. So it was interesting, on the unboxing, it did not work. We did the video and we're getting some comments on it, and then it was bugging me, and I thought, okay, what if I do like a safe? If I have an electronic safe that doesn't open, I have some jump boxes, we call them, and the jump box will put more amperage or voltage or whatever. I'm not an electrician, but I know the jump box, I can't get the safe open. I hook up the jump box, boom, it's usually enough to get it working. And it's usually because the safe has corroded wires or they're pinched or something. So I was thinking, oh, what about make a jump box for this PowerBolt? So I hooked it all up again, got 2 batteries, talked to an electrician friend, electronics person, and I told him, hey, I'm going to run 2 batteries. Will that work? He says, oh yeah, it should work, because you've got the same 9 volts, but you have more amperage or whatever. Here's the video on what I did. So I bought everything, hooked it up, and now you'll see what happened. 2 9-volt batteries, 1 will not work on the emergency opening here. Let's put 2 in, I think it's called parallel. I got to talk, not series. I got to talk to my electrician friend, but we're just doing this right off the bat. I just grabbed some leads. So again, we do this for safes all the time. We have a special little gizmo to boost it, give it power. So what I'm doing is positive to positive, negative to negative. I don't know if this is going to work or not. It was bugging me, and I've heard other people saying they've gone to some locks and they can't get them opened. Okay, this is out of the box. It didn't work. I thought I'd put 2 9-volt batteries, put them in parallel. I'll double check it. Put them in parallel, hook it up. Would it work? And no, it doesn't work. So I've tried different configurations. Well, I thought this was kind of a good idea. We seem to have a problem in there. I think this would actually work if we have an older one. This is malfunction right from the factory. But I think if we have a lock that did work before and it just got old and the wires got crimped or something or corroded, this idea of 2 of them together should work. So I'm going to try it on the road. Let's see what happens. We run across about 1 a week. But usually we put the battery up to it, it works. But we have run across the occasional one, nothing works. So, and out of this one was out of the box and it didn't work. So I thought I'd try this. It didn't work. Here's a failure. But I think it could work for locksmiths or anybody else who's locked out. They have the batteries, and because the batteries have gone dead, this may work for you. It didn't work for me on this time. Okay, have fun. Please subscribe. Talk to you later. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.